So still watching Nike potentially short. Let's see, the market might be getting ready to bounce here. So it does, that would probably help bring Nike up a little bit. You're starting to see it kind of pick up there. We got the Christmas music jamming in the background from the other guys here working the office. Not bad, I like it. All right, so Nike didn't fully drop there. Kind of back up and over its moving averages here. OBLN, interesting looking. Man, Nike is just being awkward here. Kind of watching Nike long here. See if we can break over previous highs. All right, I hopped in long here on Nike. I'm in long 500 shares. I'm gonna see if Nike wants to push back up and over previous highs, in which it's already struggling pretty significantly. It doesn't like that level. I'm already gonna get ready to take it off, but that rejection, I don't like it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that was basically supposed to move straight up once we got up to that level, and it's already failing. Yeah, I'm already taking that off. Yeah, I bought right up there at the high, no break over previous levels, instant crash back down. Probably won't mess with Nike with these back and forth candles now, getting super awkward. So all out of Nike. Long bias, that is. Now that it's gotten kind of awkward, I'm imagining it would turn into a short play, you would think. So Nike is starting to look a little bit more bearish here, like it's getting ready to break down here a little bit. Got to get behind that, or got to get below, excuse me, below the 200 moving average. Ooh, what's up with PRGO? Yeah, watching TIK starting to pop up here. All right, I'm in long on TIK with 5,000 shares. Little penny stock. Had a nice kind of like little bullish move starting to appear. Kind of looks like it's getting ready to pop. There it goes. Starting to squeeze. Beautiful. Up to 4. Really? And struggling. So still long on TIK. Starting to push up beautifully here. Over 4. Wow. They just took back so many of my gains. Assholes. Oh, I see why. So still holding long here on TIK. That's funny. Hold on, I got to put this on full screen here. So still in long here on TIK. Yeah, it's still just kind of chopping, being awkward. Super awkward. All right, I'm all out of TIK. I mean, it was just, I was getting out the whole time. It was just not enough volume there, and not enough people trading that pop there to really keep it pushing. PRGO is heading lower. I would say that looks like a, I was going to say that looked like a beautiful short. Follow PRGO short here. It's, looks pretty good. MRIN, is that pushing up too? Let's see. Yeah, MRIN's kind of starting to push a little bit. So big kind of big squeeze up there on PRGO, kind of watching that. So a couple, what do we take? One or two trades here? I think two trades, one on Nike and Nike's just being a turd. This NEON stock, are you gonna pick up? MRIN still kind of squeezing up here, guys. Keep that on watch. I don't really like any of the way it's setting up, though. It just kind of looks like a big squeeze to me. So just going to hold off on that, let it do its thing. Yeah, I mean, Nike needs some time to set up, if anything, right now. All right, the market's starting to kind of like just starting to maybe kind of break down like a tad bit. It's early morning sell off. It's trying to bounce up. It's rejecting off the 200 moving average pretty strong. Starting to kind of roll over a little bit. Good job, Ron. AGEN. Ooh, hold on. Say AMD is kind of looking weak here. Let's take a closer look at AMD. So keeping an eye on PRGO here, kind of interesting gap down from 52 to 41. That's a big drop. The NASDAQ is trying to push higher right now. The SPY's, well, it's starting to push up too. My TOS is not lagging today. Nope. All right, kind of watching AMD here. Actually, I'll give it a second. Let's see, watching AMD for a short position. Kind of looks like it's setting up to drop, but I'm going to give it a second. The market's still moving up, so I'm not sold on shorting that. It's a pretty slow day, up about $200 on the day. Nothing big, nothing crazy. Netflix is looking pretty weak here. I'm getting short on Netflix here. Down at these lows, looks like it's going to roll and try and break down this two. Yeah, there it goes. Instant break. Sucked right back up though. So holding short here on Netflix after it kind of had that snap. Let's see if we get it pushed back down to where we previously were. The market's starting to roll over right now. So if the market kind of starts dropping out, Netflix should start cooking, I think. Yeah, a lot of wick buying on this. Don't like that. So still holding short here on Netflix. So holding here on Netflix, I just really don't like the way that wick is. I mean, that's a very aggressive buyback wick. Not what you really want to see. So I'm going to get ready to maybe cover up and just take some off here. Yeah, so I took off majority of my shares there just to downsize because I didn't like the way that candle was looking. So just kind of downsize the position. PRGO looks like it's going to head lower there. Yeah, it could have been a nice move. Okay, I got getting ready to cover up here on Netflix if it drops again. Got the shares ready to purchase back. Market's holding though. Don't like it. And realistically, it should have down to about there, down to about 258. It makes sense. All right, guys, just covered up another 50 shares on Netflix, only holding 50 shares short now. Market kind of dropped below the VWAP, picked back up above the VWAP. So I'm like, yeah, I'll just keep downsizing out of this position on Netflix. So currently just got 50 shares short on Netflix right now. Getting ready to take the rest of the shares off here on Netflix as it's kind of squeezing back to the 9. Okay, got pushed right back down after hitting the 9 moving average. That's a good sign. Oh, well, the market also just got pushed lower, so I'm going to hold short here. Shouldn't have to cover up. Look like the market's going to drop a little. Mm-hmm. Ooh, is Brandon in short on this in short on this Netflix with me? I think he is. So just holding these 50 shares. The market doesn't really look strong, so I think as long as it just kind of keeps doing what it's doing, I think Netflix will resist really short squeezing too hard. The market just started rolling. Well, the S&P started rolling over. The Nasdaq is down to about 6250, kind of a small support. All right, so Netflix still working out pretty well, still dropping here. Market's looking a little weak. We're going to come down to double bottom on the market at 246.10. So we got about another 40 cents, 30 cents. The market needs to drop before we're going to try and probably do like a double bottom, a little bounce here, which, yeah, so it's if we keep rolling, we'll have a double bottom sort of deal at about 246.10. Netflix is starting to base a little bit. So Netflix still getting pushed down here on this 9 moving average, still holding short 50 shares. All right, guys, I'm all out of Netflix. All out of Netflix just got out. I don't like the way that it's basing. It was a nice little move, kind of holding support from some of this previous resistance from yesterday. So all out, I mean, it was a small little trade, nice little $158 win. Nothing too crazy, but we'll accept. We will accept. So that should, what's that get us up to? So we're up about $800 on the day right now with some open positions and some few trades. So we got a 158 profit on Netflix this morning, a loss of 234 on Nike, and a win of 450 on what? Oh yeah, win of 450 on TIK. So all in all, pretty good day. So we're going to end the recording there for you guys tuning in here on YouTube. And thank you guys as always for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.